ala e alu e kuilima kako.
Greetings and salutations, Ka'ohao. New to the news team, Olivia. Thank you for assembling for another marvelous episode.
Well said. Naomi here, anchor being at the desk for the first time with new to the news team, Olivia.
The anchor desk isn't as big in reality as it is in the virtual one. I think I need some space.
Too bad, so sad, Olivia. Much like the guiding spirit that powers the arc reactor of the news team, we're in this together.
In it to win it. Let's get things done.
Speaking of getting things done, let's find out what's happening at our Happening Campus and segue to our next success cycle of a segment. Here's Zach with your dates and deets.
Aloha Ka'ohao. Zach here with the second to last veritable smorgasbord of dates and deets. We're barreling toward the finish line of the infinity gauntlet of this, our final trimester. Stay frosty, young Avengers. Speaking of getting barreled, Ka'ohao will be opening its gates and parking stalls to the George Perry Memorial Keiki Race on Saturday, May 17th, from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. The cost is $15 per vehicle, which also buys you shuttle service. $7 breakfast bentos will also be available. Proceeds will go to fundraising for the 4th grade Big Island trip, the 5th grade Washington, D.C. trip. If you're interested in growing your own bento ingredients, then hopefully you assembled with Miss Betsy, Lori, and Nara on Friday to enrich our campus with the living soil known as vermicast, also known as Gardener's Gold, which is available for sale. And Andrew Jackson converts to 5 pounds of super soldier soil. Get yours today.
The news team soon won't be the only one at our Happening Campus having veritable field day, peddling their success cycle to endgame of our final trimester. Assemble Ka'ohao. Volunteers are still needed. Please reach out to your child's respective classroom teacher if you're interested in suiting up on Wednesday, May 28th for Field Day. You will be appreciated. Everyone appreciates appreciation, and the news team would like to pay it forward all the happening members of our Happening KSO that made our happening teachers feel appreciated. Speaking of appreciation, our talent will be soon appreciated on stage on May 21st for our annually happening talent show. We hope you got a spot in the lineup. If you haven't already, see Miss Doka. If not, show off your superpowers, young Avengers. Now, bear witness to I No Longer news to the news team, Valentine segueing us back to the desk. OMG, here I go. Wish me luck. Strong work, Zach. Thank you for that virtual smorgasbord of dates and deets.
Well done. You got this, fams.
Of all the happenings happening at our Happening Campus.
Yeah, points, fams. Way to segment up those syllables.
Well, it is truly like Mr. Brad says. How do you eat an elephant?
One bite at a time. Speaking of bites, get ready for the next amazing sound bite from our happening student body with the next installment of Ka'ohao in the Streets.
What self-talk statement can you use to help yourself feel good?
Some self-talk statements that I can use to help myself feel good is to be calm and say that if I'm calm, I can do better and focus.
Let's cook. Good job, Chase.
Yep. Nice cooking. How does spending time with friends or family impact your mental health?
Spending time with friends and family impacts my mental health by helping me feel more loved.
Nice. How does expressing gratitude impact your mental health?
Expressing gratitude makes you feel better about yourself, so I think it makes your mental health better.
Nice. What advice would you give to someone struggling with mental health?
Never give up and try your best.
Share a time when someone's action helped you through a tough time.
The time I'm going to share is when my cousin Kiki died. All my friends helped me through that time when,
How did that help you?
they talked about it, how I would get better.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hope you feel better.
Yeah, totally.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, peace out, chat.
No longer news to the news team, Miss Garza. Signing off. Remember to support your mental health and those around you every day.
Talk about talking it out on a Tuesday.
All the world's a stage, but those 5th graders really acted out that truism.
Truer words were never spoken, Naomi. What is the mental health if not truth itself?
Indeed, new to the news team, Olivia. It has been said that the measure of a person's character is how much truth they can tolerate.
Does that relate to Mr. Brad's theory about homeostatic functioning?
10 miles per taco? Let's cook and taco with another happening member of our happening faculty.
Aloha, Ka'aha brothers and sisters. Emmeline Bai here. Back at it again with another interview with one of our exceptional members of our happening campus. I give you the woman, the myth, the legend, and my 5th grade teacher, Miss Lerma. Thank you so much for assembling with the news team today.
Well, thank you for having me, and that was quite an introduction. Thank you, Emmy.
Miss Lerma, as Newsstream announced in News 7, the Infinity Gauntlet of our 3rd trimester is approaching its endgame. Are you ready already, knowing that we're all pedaling hard to cross the finish line of the especially challenging testing cycle? What advice would you give us to help us math the math next week and test not stress?
Well, we are approaching that last leg of the school year, and yes, SB testing is upon us, and it can be stressful, but we've done all the hard work throughout the year. So my best advice is just to be positive, be confident, and to do your best. Try your best for that matter.
Well, that certainly adds up. Remember, Ka'aha, that the sum of all fears does not equate to the armor that comes from the spirit of coming together in unity to get things done. Let's heed the words of Miss Lerma's former student, the master chef, and finish the fight, Ka'aha. Speaking of former students, a certain narwhal on our news team in 6th grade would be touched if you would please close out this successful cycle of a segment by answering one last question. Potatoes or gelatinous gravy?
I guess I'm going with the potatoes. I've never had gelatinous gravy, so I'll go with the potatoes.
You heard it here first. Now let's take back to the desk for closing time.
Potatoes.
Gelatinous gravy.
Let's call this whole thing off.
You know, if you just mash your potato, it would complement this gelatinous gravy train of a segment.
Well then, let's mash this potato of an episode and smother it in the gelatinous gravy of its closing time.
It's a sign of the chives that we're approaching the end game of this, our final trimester.
And stay frosty, Ka'aha. Only 2 weeks.
And the season finale remain.
Team Starch out. E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
That the measure of a person's character is how much truth they can tolerate.
No, wait, that's your line. It says Naomi. Does that really?
No, but that's your line.
Stop.
But it says Naomi. I got confused.
You gotta hit refresh again.
Start from.
News and news team. Miss Garza here, and the I don't know how to say that.
Proverbial.
Get out. Proview.
Jack here with the second to last veritable smorgasbord. Did I say that right?
I think I'm too busy looking at the cameras in the
You just look at the script because the script is right next to the camera, so it'll kind of look like you're looking.
The anchor desk isn't as big as reality as it is in the virtual. Wait, where are we? Virtual. Why does that right in the, like when we practiced outside, that was so easy for me. Now I'm just like, can't get past it.
And Ms. Garza, you should be in dialogue.
Yeah.
Ask them about it.
Too bad, so sad, Olivia.
That's my line.
I know!
Yeah, that's that one, focus on that one line.
OMG, here I go. Wish me luck. And the strong work. Thank you for that veritable so a vegetable. Thank you for that veritable smorgasbord. Oh, don't tell me that. OMG, here I go. Wish me luck. No, strong work, Zach. Thank you for that veritable smorgasbord. On. I can't say that word. Smorgasbord. Smorgasbord. How is that even a word? A vegetable. Dang it! I said magic board. I know it's more. I know how to say it. It's just I'm focusing on the other lines, and then when I get to that one, I'm just all what?
How do you eat it?
One bite at a time.
No longer news to the new team. Because
OMG, here I go. Wish me luck.
You can start just from the
Yeah, you can just start from there because we already filmed the rest.
Of all the happenings that there what?
That's a hard one. Of all our happening
That's this one.
Remember, take a big deep breath before you do it.
So just start
And
from
then
that
go
happening.
slow. You don't want to use one breath. You want to use multiple breaths. Of all the happenings at our happening campus. And then you can be like, oh, I see.
Okay. Of all the happens. Who says happens? Who says happens?
Stuff happens.
Oh, that actually is a word. The news team.
That the measure of a person's character is how much truth they can tolerate.
No, wait, that's your line. Our talent show. Our talents will be. Okay. Says Naomi. Does that?
No,
really,
but that's your line.
But it says Naomi.
Okay,
I got
You gotta
confused.
hit refresh again.
Well then, let's mash this potato of an episode and smother it into the What's that word again?
Smother it in the gelatinous gravy of closing time.
How about you say that line? Except I want to say potatoes.
Wait.
I want to say potatoes.
Potato.
Potato.
Smash this potato.
Potatoes.
Well, then let's mash this potato.
Alright, I think we're good.
Perfect.
Wait, are there any more?
I think, there's more questions, but I think I have enough coverage.